Welcome, and for now is a Motorola Moto Z3 Play, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and tap on power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to then hold the power key and a volume down. So power, volume down, both at the same time. And we should be in the boot mode. So in here, using volume up or down, you want to find recovery mode, which there it is. And once it's written right here, press power key to confirm it. Give it a second and it should show up with the no command Android. There we go. So what you want to do is hold the power key and tap a volume up, and there we go. So, and here again you get to use a volume keys to navigate, and you want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it again with the power key. Select yes, and then select user data plus personalized content. And there we go, we'll begin. Now this part is fairly quick, it should be right about done. Yep, there it is. You can see at the bottom, data wipe complete. So reboot system now is then selected by default, and you need to only press power key once more. And the device will continue to reboot, and actually it will also continue the process in the background. So it will be turning on for a little bit longer than it normally does. But once it's finished, we should be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.